Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want you guys to join me while I do the unboxing on my set of non-stick pot that I just bought brand new today. You can see it's a new year, so this new year I'll begin by buying myself a new set of non-stick pot to start using for my kitchen. So guys, join me while I'm unboxing so that you see what's inside this non-stick pot. So guys, now let's get in. So guys, you can see right here is my carton of a set of non-stick pot that I just bought brand new today. I can see that the brand here is SMP brand. So the person said this is a very good non-stick pot quality. I don't know yet, or I don't know yet. I can see, but they say it's a good quality brand. You can see that originally this very pack contains 4 pots. One, two, three, four. Bigger or biggest, bigger, big, and big. You can see, right? So, but right here inside, I bought 3 pots. I asked them to replace the biggest pot with a fry pan, as you can see, because this one contains only 4 pots without fry pan. But because I need a fry pan, so I had to replace one of the pots with a fry pan. You can see here is my fry pan here. Also non-stick fry pan, different color. This one is black. You can see, right? So after that, then I bought this set of spoons for the non-stick pot. They are actually all plastic spoons, complete set, but I bought this differently from the pot here. So I will be showing you guys, I'll be unboxing and show you guys the pot and how much I bought the 3 pot with a fry pan. So let's start by unboxing the pot. You can see, as I said, there are 3 pots inside here. So when I bought it, they have actually tightened the screw already, the nut. There's one cover. Let me keep it here. There's the smallest pot cover. Cover, you can see. Drop it here. So here's one of the pots. You can see it looks good as a color. You can see this one, the smallest size. It looks good. I love them. I love it. It's heavier, a bit heavier. It's heavy. So drop it here. So here's the bigger one. I also removed the nylon from the body. You can see the bigger one. It's not really straight. Maybe it's just having some little bend. You can see same color. And here is the almighty biggest one. But though there is another biggest one that I had to replace for the fry pan. You can see. You can see, right? So now how much did I buy them? So for the 3 pots with this fry pan, I bought it for 70,000 naira from my customer. You can see, right? So for the set of spoons, for this set of plastic spoons, I bought these ones for 5,000 naira. You can see, because non-stick pot, you don't use any stainless spoon for them, because they may crack the pot. So you can see. So here are the ones I bought. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye.